Hi sir, ASN Techno Service in Hyderabad. All our locations at your doorstep service, sir. All types of air conditioners repair and gas refilling, general servicing, sir. General servicing charges 650 and gas refilling extra charges, sir. Motherboard replacement and repair 3-month warranty and motherboard replacement, genuine spare parts, sir. 6-month warranty and visiting charges 450, sir. Charges any brands, all types of oil brands, odd models, duct AC, split AC, window AC, casket AC, journal air conditioner, commercial air conditioner, any brands, any all types air conditioners repair.